Hello, Mrs. Denning and Cove here. We have our crazy hats on because it's Crazy Hat Day when we recorded this. Anyway, it's our very last word ring. Can you believe it? And most of the words, actually all of these words are review ones from the year. Some will be very, very familiar to you, so it shouldn't be hard. So let's go ahead and get started. Profit. We were so excited that our lemonade stand made some profit. Though, even though we had to learn from home, we all made it through the school year. Examined. The doctor examined her sore ear. Were. We were all going for a walk. Global. COVID-19 is a global problem. Evidence. The evidence that he had eaten the chocolate pudding was all over his face. Absorb. My towel can absorb a gallon of water. That's a lot of water. Where? I wondered where I should lay my towel on the beach. Rough. The antonym for rough is smooth. And if I were to say a sentence, I might say, sandpaper is very rough. Through. I crawled through the tunnel. There. Their dog was very frisky and ran in circles. So this there is the belonging one, like their dog, their house, and that's the way you would spell it. There. I am going to put my glass over there so it doesn't get knocked over. This is the place there, a location, somewhere where you're putting something or going to. There. This is the contraction they are, and the sentence might be, they're all going to 4th grade next year. Dissolve. Salt can dissolve pretty easily in water. Wear. I'm going to wear my favorite Brooks sweatshirt when it's cold. Climate. The climate in our area is warm and humid in the summer. Fondly. I will look back on this year very fondly, as I loved having all of you in our class. So I'm signing off with Gracie, Andrew, bye for the summer, and Macy. Say bye, Macy. We hope you have a good week, and I hope you every day get to do your word ring, and I hope you've enjoyed meeting Gracie, Macy, and Rue, and Cove. Bye now. Enjoy your day.